Hi, I'm Steven from One-Click LCA, and today I will tell you about the LCA checker. The LCA checker is a feature in the software which can give you either checks on the completeness or the plausibility of your data. You will find it on the building materials page, but also on the results page, so you can check it in two ways. I will show you in this short video the building material page version. So as you see here, the completeness of my project is 7%, and the plausibility grade gives me a B. So the completeness, 100% means whatever we have data-wise is meeting the either certification or regulatory requirements. And the grade A is the highest, means that our data is as plausible as possible for a project of this size. The completeness is completely based on what kind of classifications we have assigned. So not every tool actually has this kind of check because not every method has a classification system. The plausibility check can be done on any type of project. So as we see here, my completeness is only 7% because I haven't assigned all the classifications, which is fine. So for now, I'll exclude this check. But then my plausibility check says grade B. So what my plausibility check actually looks at is the quantities I have in the project, and then it checks the plausibility for a project of this size. So for my example here, 2000 square meters. And if you have specified the framing typology, it would check that too. So it does a really brief check of, okay, these are the quantities, this is what we expect for a project this size, and if it meets it, it will validate these checks. So important to note here is that it's only a checker. It's meant as a guide for you. It's not a definite answer as in, hey, tells me here that I don't have any roofing bitumen, so my project is wrong. The checks that it doesn't validate, as you see here, are, for example, because just this project has data which maybe is not relevant. Let's say the roofing bitumen. It says it's higher than what we expect. If that's fine, I can validate it. Or if my gypsum board and plaster mass is a bit higher, it's fine too. So all these kind of checks are there to make sure that what we have, is it relevant or not? And then if it is relevant, you can validate it. And if not, you can just either check if you have to fix it, add some more data, or you can just ignore it. So that's it.